See, you know what I mean? You got your stuff together. They gonna take you serious, boo. You get that website, you get that banking account, they gonna take you serious. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samia. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking business 101. I am going to be sharing 10 tips when starting your own business, or if you currently have your own small business. Just sharing a little insight. I currently right now have 2 businesses of my own, Samia Unit Collections and Prosperity Cosmetics. I want to see all of us win, so I figured why not share a little bit of tips. If this video applies to you, let's just get straight into it. So tip number 1, never start a business just to make money. The money will come. You want to be passionate about your business. Your business is like your baby. You know what I mean? Like, your business is a reflection of you. So whatever it is, just make sure you really put time and thought into it, and don't just do things for money, because it won't last long. When you do things for money, it just won't last long. So you want to be passionate about it, and it needs to be meaningful. Tip number 2, invest. Save your money. It takes money to make money, so you definitely want to invest in a nice logo, invest in top quality products or whatever services your business is providing. You want to be providing top quality products, service, whatever it is that you are doing in your business. You want to make sure that it is top quality. If your business requires you to have a website, you want to invest in getting a website made. So yes, it takes money to make money. You have to put money into your business in order to see it come out. Number 3, do your research to find your business and what products you will be providing. So be very clear on what your business is. Have a mission statement. Tip number 4, protect your business with an LLC, a EIN, trademark, or copyright. When starting your own business, it's very important that you get an LLC or a trademark just to protect your personal assets. And when you get an LLC for your business, it's actually a tax benefit to that as well. So that's definitely something that you want to get when starting your own business. LLCs are more common for small businesses. It's like $99 to $125. So that's definitely, like I said, one of those investments, saving your money and put money into your business. Research and look up which one best fits you, whether it's a trademark or EIN or LLC, and you definitely want to get that. Tip number 5, know your target audience. Who do you want to reach? What's your ideal customer? Is your business for everybody, or is it just for a certain age range, a certain, person? Who is it for? Who's your ideal customer? Have that very clear. Make it clear for yourself to know, and clear for your consumers and your customers to know as well. Who's your ideal customer? Like, who are you selling to? Tip 6, set a business banking account. Keep your personal money separate from business. I wish I would have done this a long time ago. It just helps you see what your business is making and how much you are putting into your business. You can keep them separate. It's easy to put everything together, have everything coming into one bank account, so you can't really see what your business is actually bringing in, just your business. You know what I mean? We might have different streams of income coming into the same account. So I definitely suggest getting a business banking account. That way you can keep your money separate, and it's just better with business. Definitely get a business banking account and keep your money separate from your personal money. Tip number 7, be consistent. Do giveaways, email subscriptions, keep new content rolling in. You just have to be consistent. Be consistent with your pictures of your products. Be consistent with promoting your business. Just be consistent in all areas. If you're selling the actual product, or if you're providing a service, you can do raffles, you can do giveaways. If you have a website, you can, dedicate things to people that are subscribed to your email subscriptions. All of that type of stuff is important, because the customer is what keeps our business going. It keeps it thriving. It keeps us on our toes. If you can give back to your customer, you can show your customer that you appreciate them, please do that. Giveaways, raffles, sales, all of those things are a way of showing your appreciation. Just like how Target, Forever 21, Macy's, all these big companies, they have sales, they do deals and do things that keeps us coming back as a customer. So you definitely want to be consistent and keeping people interested in your business and coming back and consuming from you. Tip number 8, create a website. I created my own website, and I use Shopify for my website, and I bought my domain. But if you don't want to use Shopify, some people say Shopify is a little too hard to use. So you could either use Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, or GoDaddy. It's a lot of different ones you can choose from to make a website. But you definitely want to invest in a website. And if anybody needs a website, check my website out that I did, prosperitycosmetics.com, just so you can see, you know, how I set it up. Tip number 9. Network. Use social media platforms: Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, Clubhouse. Clubhouse is like one of the newest apps. I personally liked Clubhouse. I spoke on Clubhouse the other day and I gained followers on Instagram, on YouTube, on my personal page. People came to my website and bought things. Sometimes you have to put yourself out there. You definitely want to take advantage of these social media platforms, promote your business. Like on Instagram and Facebook, you can do paid promotions. Once again, investing in your business. Pay for people all over to see your stuff. You never know. Potential followers or potential customer. You know, if you do photo shoots and you have footage from behind the scenes, post and share all of that. People love to see you working. They love to see you growing and see your business growing. Be consistent and keep consistent content rolling in. New content, fresh, good quality. Quality is everything as well. The last tip number 10, create long and short-term goals to keep your business thriving. Set goals and you achieve them and you cross them off. It's easy for you to just keep going, just keep going, just keep, set one goal and you accomplish that, set another one. This is going to keep your business thriving. It's going to keep you leveling up and it's going to keep you being on the road to greatness. Period. We all want that, okay? The thing when starting your own business and running your own business and you have questions and you just may feel like you need help or you're stuck, research and use the tools that is in front of us. Sometimes we look for other people to help us when in reality, a lot of things are right in front of us. If you like this video and you would like to see me do more videos like this, please comment down below. Let us know. I love helping other people. It's room for all of us. Never compare yourself to other people. What's for you will always be for you. Comparison is a thief of joy. Everybody got their own journey and everybody got their own timeline and everybody has their own purpose. Continue to be consistent. Continue to be faithful to yourself and your business. And if you're thinking about starting a business, start that business. It's never too late. So that includes all the tips that I have today for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.